Hello everyone, Zain with you, and today we'll show you how to convert an image into a PSD file. First, you want to go and open your browser, then search for Cloud Convert, just like so. Then you should go for the first option, Cloud Convert, just tap on it. Then it will redirect you to this page. Just click on Select File and choose the photo that you want to convert to PSD. So I'm going to go here and choose a photo of mine. And now after uploading, you just have to click on select format, then go and choose PSD, just like so. Then go and click on convert, then click on download. Then now when I get to downloads right here and open the photo, just like so. And now here, as you can see, you can have the image as a PSD file. You can now open it and do some adjustments. You can click on remove background, for example, and remove the background from the photo. You can do some more edits with this file format. After you finish, click on save and you're all done. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching and goodbye.